Hey guys, check check, 1 2. How's breathing? Today's set of gadgets from all over the web will add some bright accents to your look and to your house. There's also a couple of things for those who look after their health. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. Stuck in traffic on the way to the interview of your life? That's why you need a portable e-scooter in your backpack for such cases. This one's so small and lightweight that you can keep it in your desk drawer, yet this guy's dual motors provide you with a 15-mile-per-hour speed within a 15-mile range. The design will smooth all the bumps so the ride will be fast and comfy. The built-in front and rear lights along with a turn signal make you more predictable to others, while an LED screen on the handlebars keeps you aware of all the info related to speed, battery, and so on. You can park the scooter and lock it with your phone, but why on earth would you need that if there's a handle for carrying? Low battery again? Here's a smart charging system that'll tell you that you need to juice up your phone. Well, it'll actually monitor the level of the batteries on all your gadgets and notify you via the app when it's time to charge. Let's say a laptop or Mac. When plugged in, it'll automatically match the voltage your device needs. What's cool? It comes with connectors for all major brands and a set of international adapter plugs, so you don't need a bunch of those bulky adapters for all the gadgets. And don't need them at all for your Qi-enabled devices. There's a built-in wireless charging pad for that. As for the battery, it's big enough to charge a laptop up to 1.5 times and a smartphone up to 8 times, so you're in touch with your loved ones. Afraid of forgetting some essentials when packing for camping? This bottle will make sure you get the most crucial ones. First, it'll purify the water you drink with the UVC light so you don't have to pack gallons of water. Need to juice up your smartphone? Okay, this bottle will do that for you. It's getting dark, but you're still on your way home? A single tap will turn the bottle into a flashlight and can even send an SOS signal when needed. Finally, it won't take any space in the backpack at all. You can clip it to the zipper. Want to save money on electric bills but can't afford solar panels on the rooftop? Why not try these smart solar blinds then? Their biggest pro is that they can be installed even in the smallest house, right on the windows. Just like any other solar panel, the blinds generate electricity from sunlight. It's about 100 watts per hour. The dedicated mobile app allows all the controls, but you can make them a part of your smart house since this thing supports Alexa and Google Assistant. The device automatically adjusts the blind's angle to get the maximum solar power, and yeah, since these are blinds, they'll shield you from the heat. How's your back keep going? Constant slouching is not what it's grateful for. That's why a monitor stand that'll improve your spinal health is a must, but we prefer to have a stand with some benefits, for example with a built-in fan. It'll circulate airflow below your computer and cool you down a little. In case you're not satisfied with the angle, just take it out and place it the way you like it best. Oh, it got too cold? No problem. Just change the fan to a heater. It's that easy. Is your colleague sneezing all the time? You can place the purifier under your monitor, and if your office is at home, it'll get rid of unpleasant and pleasant odors and help you focus. What's the worst thing when skiing down the hill? That's definitely going upward. Here's the tool that finally solves the problem. It's so light and portable it can easily fit your backpack, and it's pretty easy to use. When up the hill, secure the paracord to the tree or snow anchor and lay it along the desired path using a snow picket that gets buried in the snow. When at the bottom of the hill, attach the device to the paracord and find yourself going upward with a breeze. The device features an electric motor and a series of pulleys and pulls the rope through its powered mechanism and then spits it back out again, leaving the paracord in the same place. Awesome! How to gain more precision and accuracy when playing, let's say, a guitar. With these finger weights, you'll rock like Jimi Hendrix and Kurt Cobain. Actually, the device is pretty versatile and is designed to meet the needs of pro and amateur athletes, video gamers, and musicians. You can pick either a particular kit for particular needs or get an ultimate multi-purpose combo set. So the package includes either original or flex rings that are comfortable to wear and some stainless steel weights. Each of them weighs 1 ounce, and you can vary their number on every finger. As a result, you'll improve your fingers' strength and flexibility and exercise them for faster reaction and better control. Everything's on the tips of your fingers now. This is a handheld meditation aid designed to control your breathing and get some relief from day-to-day stresses and anxiety. Since the product is compact, lightweight, and portable, it'll always be with you. There are 3 breathing modes to relieve stress, boost creativity, help to control your sleeping, and lower your heart rate. It's easy to use. Just hold it in your palm and follow the lights and the vibration pulses as you breathe. The device is rechargeable and runs up to 1 week on one charge. keep calm, and breathe easy. It's easy to ignore just how dirty your devices are until you move the screen into the sun or try to type on them. This 7-in-1 cleaner will take care of those issues. First, the kit features a storage brush to get rid of the dirt and the crumbs. The integrated keep holder makes the task even easier if it's a keyboard. There's also a silicone tip for those tiny gaps in your AirPods and iPhone. When you're done, just flip it over and brush the rest away with the mini brush. As for the screen, use the included spray and wipe it off with a replaceable cleaning cloth. Finally, you can use it as a stand to watch videos on a clean display. We bet you won't find a better head to put your headphones on. Jason Voorhees, Freddy Krueger, maybe Thanos? Well, of course, they're not real. Some crazy enthusiasts with a fleet of 3D printers have created some of the most incredible pop culture-inspired headphone stands. Just look how detailed they are. Neo looks exactly like Keanu Reeves. To make a complete set of the coolest holders ever, you'll also pick one of these holders for your controller. That's an epic combo. Is that a tent or a hammock? Actually, it's both. So first, installing this thing is a 5-minute job. Furthermore, the device features a 4-inch thick, super cushy inflatable pad. So when you use it as a hammock, it hangs from 2 trees using 2 straps, much like a regular hammock system. But thanks to the pad, it's rectangular instead of whatever shape a hammock is. It also has a removable bug neck and comes with a rain fly to keep you safe from nasty weather. And yes, you can turn it into a tent. If you happen to be camping where there aren't any trees, all you need is a pair of trekking poles. The whole package weighs just under 7 pounds and holds up to 265 pounds. It's adventure time. Still carry a bulky leather wallet? Hope this thing will change your mind. Made of rust-resistant aluminum alloy, this wallet stands out with the cleanest design you could ever imagine. But it's not just a pretty cover. Despite its size, it can hold up to 15 cards. It's the rubber band that makes it so stretchable. It can also be used to hold some cash, by the way. The wallet is RFID blocking too. But the biggest pro is the Bluetooth tracker card that allows you to track your wallet and even ring on your phone or vice versa. Now just follow the ringing to find the wallet, or vice versa. You already take your tumbler with you everywhere you go. So why not add some extra features? It's an 18-ounce tumbler that keeps your beverages cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 8 hours. The leak-proof lid makes sure all the liquid stays inside. The tumbler is made of stainless steel and it's double-wall insulated. And here comes the combo part. On the bottom, there's a detachable Bluetooth speaker, so you can enjoy your music as you drink, or you can put your speaker somewhere nearby. The speaker runs up to 8 hours, and then you can charge it with the included micro USB cable. Finally, there's a wide range of colors, so pick yours. This thing over here looks like a keychain, but this is actually a personal alarm that might save your life one day. Are you afraid to walk home in the dark? Twist the upper part, and your loved ones will be able to track your movement in real time. So handy if you're worried about your children on their way home. And if you're unlucky to find yourself in danger, pull the upper part to alert your family and friends you need help right now. They'll get a notification even if the phone is muted. When you feel safe again, just twist the device back and everybody will be automatically notified that you're safe and thanked for their attention.